for joining us. We have very little time on the show. But tell us now, the CAA, it appears, the rules, it appears, will not even ask for proof of religious persecution. Just you have to prove your religion and the fact that you entered from these three countries before a cut-off date. Is that going to be a matter of concern for the Northeast?
Extremely. In fact, this is, I'm sorry for the late, I mean, the traffic jam in Delhi is pretty terrible.
Yeah.
The fact is that Amit Shah has said that you don't need to prove any documents to say that if you have come even before 2014 or henceforth. So if someone enters yesterday, he or she is under no pressure.
I'm not sure if he said that though.
No, he said that in the parliament, that aapko ration card bhi nahi dikhana padega. Now, the fact is that you are under no pressure to prove any documents. And the fact is that, let's be very honest, we in the Northeast are a sacrificial lamb. The larger agenda of the BJP is West Bengal. They want to win West Bengal and they have sacrificed us in the Northeast. In my state of Tripura, we have suffered tremendously. And you know, the only state which has already allowed enough persecuted Hindus to come in was the state of Tripura, Assam and Meghalaya. But today, you have not exempted us, who have already accepted lakhs and lakhs of people, but you have exempted states which have not even accepted even one.
So
because it's vote bank politics. It's clear vote bank politics.
You're saying it's vote bank politics. You're not even saying that put in stronger filters for CAA. You just are completely against CAA as a whole.
Can I say one more thing? You know,
very quickly.
Yeah, because you have said that CAA is exempted in 6 scheduled areas, right? So that means those people who are from Bangladesh, who have entered and are living in 6 scheduled areas, and there are lakhs and lakhs of them,
right?
They exempted under CAA. Tomorrow when NRC happens, where do these people go? Government hasn't thought it through, and now they are course correcting it, but they're already in a deep soup, and they're going to make a lot of mistakes in the coming days, because NRC will be a problem for them in this issue.
Vivek, so respond to that, that here you have somebody, Pradyot from Tripura, saying that this is done purely as vote bank politics. Religious persecution is just a front.
Well, Vasu, I have only one question to ask my friend from Congress.
No, I'm not in Congress.
Basic.
He's not in Congress anymore, ex-Congress.
In these.
Yes.
All right. I thought I heard PCC. Sorry. I stand corrected. But there's only one question that I'd ask you ask him. If it was vote bank politics, I'd like to ask him. First of all, from all these three nations, even today, there are glaring incidents of religious persecution, of conversion, of rape, of lifting people from marriages, as has happened a week ago in Pakistan.
But CAA doesn't help them.
And all of them have feared this sort of a environment and come to India. This is number one.
But CAA can't help.
What did he tell them?
CAA can't help anybody who's there right now. By the way,
die in hell. This is number one.
This is number one. CAA can't help anybody who's there right now.
Do you know that Congress?
CAA can't help anybody who's
there right now. Do you know that Congress under Manmohan Singh had made a plea in the parliament asking
One second, Vivek. Yes.
Please give citizenship to them. What do you say?
I'll answer. You've asked me
vote bank politics.
You've asked me a specific question. I'll answer it. First of all, I hold no brief for Congress. Congress also played vote bank politics. That's why Congress is equally unacceptable in Northeast now. Your question saying that people who have been persecuted, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam have accepted lakhs and lakhs of persecuted Hindus. Why have you not exempted us and exempted states which haven't even taken one persecuted Hindu? Because these are states where you don't win elections. You win elections in these three states where I have said it. And hence, this is vote bank politics.
Okay, all right. We'll have to leave it there. We're completely out of time.
Today, the whole of India is willing to accept them.
Okay.
Then please share the burden. Then please share the burden. Do not dump it into only three states. Please share the burden.
Okay, we'll have to leave it there. Vivek, we'll come back to you. We'll come back to the story on the reality check. That's all the time we have. Good night.